Welcome to my channel. Today we're working on something on the small side. Some time back I made a miniature make your own vampire hunting kit that linked to a digital download version in my Etsy shop. I'll put a link to that down below. Today I am working on a physical version that people can buy because not everybody wants to download a digital version. I'll put a link to that also down below. Also, I would like to mention that I am moving away from the weird history videos to focus more on crafting ones, because crafting's fun, and I hope you guys like these videos as much as I enjoy making them. Of course, I would love to hear any ideas you guys have for a future crafting video, so please leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys would be interested in seeing. Well, this box is ready to go and I will put a handful of them in my Etsy shop. Have an awesome day. Bye!